Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty from MaxKing.com. Hit you with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about why I shoot my videos in my car. In my car. So, if you look at my YouTube videos, most of them are shot in my car. And the reason I shoot them in my car is because the first reason, I shoot those on my lunch break at work. And I wanted to work on my online business while I'm off work and while I'm at work. And with the birth of our, right now, 5-month-old son, going to be 6 soon, it's harder to do content. It's harder to do videos because, we're all on a schedule, working 9 to 5. We get up in the morning, get him together. We'll go to work. We'll get off work. We'll pick him up. It's 5:30 at that point, 6 o'clock. Spend a couple hours with him, eat dinner, spend time with the wife or the husband, whatever we have, and then we all go to bed. So, it's hard to write content on the weekends. It's all about him. It's all about some nights I can work late, and it's hard to write content. It's hard to write content while he's asleep because the house ain't but so big. And if I shoot a video, I talk loud anyway, and the last thing I want to do is wake him up from his sleep. And it's hard for me to do videos at nighttime because he be asleep, my wife be asleep. So, I'm in a tight spot. So the best thing I could do is shoot the video in my car. No one's around me. I could talk to the camera about whatever I want to talk about. I can, after that, come home, get on my Wi-Fi, and upload right to YouTube. And also it shows other people that if you want to start a YouTube channel and you work full time, you could do the same thing I'm doing. You could get in your car on your 15-minute break, your 30-minute break, or hour lunch, wherever you get, and shoot a 7-minute video from your phone inside your car on your lunch break. And what this does, it saves you time. See, I'm trying to eliminate time from the stuff I do at home. So when I get home and I have that hour, I can focus on the most important things. That's like doing thumbnails for my video, doing promoting my blog on social media, setting ads to buy traffic, checking my stats, start writing a new blog post, things like that I can work on that other stuff while I'm at home with that time versus making the video. So I make videos sometimes at home, most times in my car to save me time. And you can do the same thing. We all got kids and family. We're always on the go. We're 9 to 5. And in my previous video, I said before, if you live 4 to 5 minutes from your job, it's harder. It takes 4 to 5 minutes. You're commuting hour and a half, 2 hours to work every day. And that's a long time. So I'll say get your car mount, and use the text-to-speech on your phone. That's pretty much free to download. And you can write a blog post. While you're talking, the phone will text out what you're writing for a blog post. Or get your car mount, if you could turn to the side and shoot a video while you're driving. Or get you a camera, shoot a video while you're driving. You got 4 to 5 minutes. Hell, you could do a 10-minute video and write a blog post 30 minutes, you're at work. And then when you drive back to home with 4 to 5 minutes, hit that traffic, going to pick your kids up, you could do another video on leaving home. And then you can finish that blog post you started this morning. So when you get home, that stuff is done. All you gotta do is button it up, edit it, put a thumbnail on it, timestamp it, and let it rip. Or go edit the video at home, which is it's a good action to do while you're at home. So that's why I make videos in my car. That way I'll come home, I'll go ahead, either edit the video if it needs it to, upload to YouTube, and when I get home, I upload to YouTube, create me a thumbnail for that video, and post that video all over social media, which helped me get more views. So I'm not wasting my time. Making videos is not wasting my time, but if I could do it at work on my lunch break, why not? So I take advantage of this every day. I used to be in the warehouse with only 2 15-minute breaks and one 30-minute break, and it would take me 10 minutes to get to my car. So there's no point of, doing a video on a 15-minute break. And my lunch, I'll be starving, and, I work in the cold, and it's just rough. Now I'm in the office. I have a desk job now. I'm going to take advantage of the time I have, the free time I have. I have more free time. I have an hour to myself for lunch, so I can do whatever. Compared to at home, the only time I have free time is when he sleep. If he's up, I can't do what I want to do. When he sleep, we're usually doing stuff around the house, cooking dinner, doing dishes, doing whatever. So that's why I shoot videos in my car. That's why I continue to shoot videos in my car. And you could do the exact same thing. Whatever you're good at, what you're passionate about, whatever, you could teach people. I don't think I know everything. I don't know how to do a lot of things, but I can tell and teach people things I'm doing in my business that I've learned over time and tell you about it. So maybe you're just starting off, and instead of, I learned this, I've been in this job now for like my 3rd year. Now, if I just started this last year. So if I did this 3 years ago, doing a video a day in my car, I would have twice as much videos I have now on YouTube. And I write blog posts in my car while I'm on lunch break on my cell phone. So you can imagine my business has been going up more and more. And when I get home, and that's before my son was born. So imagine if I'm doing videos at work on my lunch break, writing content on my lunch break, now, not doing work, my lunch break, and then I could do the same thing at home because my son wasn't born then. My blog will be much bigger, my YouTube channel will be much bigger as well, but I didn't take advantage of it. So I'm telling you now, if you don't have no kids, or if you have kids, it don't even matter, and you want to start online business, YouTube and blogging, take your 15-minute breaks, take your lunches, go in your car, turn the AC on, turn the heat on, and make you a video. Just write that blog post from your phone on your break, on your time. Don't do it on the company's time. I don't do that. I do it on my break. And that's why I shoot videos in my car. It saves me time during the week. And my goal is to do one video a day. So if I do 2 videos in one day, I'm good for the next day. That way I don't have to worry about, I didn't make a video a day. Well, I did 2 yesterday, so I'm good. So it saves me time. This is my 3rd video of the day. So and this is Tuesday, so I'm good for the week if I choose to. But I'm gonna keep on pushing content and stuff that I should have done and mistakes I have done in the past. So again, if you work a warehouse job, take a 30-minute lunch. Hey, take you 8-9 minutes and shoot a video quick. Your 15-minute breaks. If you stay in the warehouse and just take a 10-minute break, write you a paragraph. Write a paragraph. Write your paragraph on the blog post. That way, when you come home, you have less work to do. You want to eliminate work from home so you spend more time with your family. Spend more time with my son and my wife. I could do that. I'm doing some of the work elsewhere. So when I get home, it's much easier. So that's the end of my video. I hope you just take heed. Is what can you cut out that you can use the time somewhere else? What can you do when you're at work? What your breaks? Can you write content on work? Can you do a video on your lunch break, on your hour lunch? Can you go to Chick-fil-A and eat lunch there, and when you get back in your car, shoot you an 8-minute video and then go back to work? And if you have no kids, it's even better because you could do a video at work, you could do videos at home, and you're just rolling in videos and content. So that's the end of my video. I hope you take a heed what I'm got to say about time management. It's all about time management and high income producing activities. You want to do activities high producing. If you want to do research on a topic online, don't do it on the time that you have. Do it on the way to work. Do it on your breaks. Don't do it when you have that 1 hour window to create content. You're wasting your time. Don't do it then. Just write your blog post. TyForThat'sKing.com. Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate you. Subscribe to my channel. Like the video or dislike it if you didn't like the message. And let me know your feedback on how you save time. Thanks for watching.